gonna show us the two-step rev limiter at 9,500.
It's a bit more than that.
Did it pop it out? That's fucking hot hill. Like a bike? It sounds like a bike. It's like no. Fuck, it sounds fucking insane. Now you know where rev limiter is, it's not so bad anymore, right?
It loves it.
See the smoke over there?
Man, it's almost 10 grand. I hope it burns a bit of oil when it's up there. Dirty thing. Dirty.
Nice car, Chris. Look at that sleeper.
No.
Oh,
Says my fucking memory card is full.